In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update labels in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser and go to the plan where you manage your work. This is the specific project plan you want to update. Once you are inside the plan, take a moment to confirm you are in the right place by looking at the plan name near the top. Labels are applied at the task level, so you will be working directly with an individual task in this plan. Next, switch your view to grid. You can do this by selecting the grid option from the available views. The grid view is helpful because it lays tasks out in a table format, making it easier to find a task quickly and adjust details like labels without opening multiple menus. Once you are in grid view, find the task you want to edit and click on the task name. Clicking the task name opens the task details, where you can update the information connected to that task. If you have many tasks, you may need to scroll within the grid to locate the correct one before selecting it. With the task selected, move to the Labels area and click on Yellow. In Planner, labels are color-based, and yellow is one of the available label colors. Clicking yellow will toggle that label for the task. If yellow is not currently applied, it will be added. If yellow is already applied, clicking it again can remove it, depending on its current state. Watch for the visual indicator that confirms the label has changed. Click on yellow again as needed to make sure the label is set the way you want. This second click is useful if you are confirming the selection or adjusting it after a quick review of the task details. After that, click on Highlight. This is where you update the label text associated with that color. In other words, you are not just choosing the yellow color, you are also ensuring the label name shown for that color matches your intended meaning. Select Highlight to apply or confirm the label text for that task. Click on Highlight once more to finalize the label setting. When you do this, pay attention to the label display to confirm it reflects the updated choice. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.